So I'm about to play for you my solo guitar arrangement of There Will Never Be Another You. Now this was voted as the standard of the month over on my Patreon page, and I've done something a little bit different with this one. And I've done it where it's really for unaccompanied solo jazz guitar. And that means one thing that we can benefit from, and that means rather than having to stick slavishly to the beat, like, you know, and everything having to line up, that is one way you could do a solo guitar arrangement. I have gone for a rubato feel. Because it's designed to be played unaccompanied, the rubato feel means essentially, whilst I'm thinking of it as in 4/4, there's bits where I'm gonna slow down to emphasize a chord or a bit of the melody, and there's bits I'm gonna rush also for more expression. And when you listen to solo jazz guitar kind of chord melody arrangements, this is one of the tricks of the trade, if you like. You know, if you're not playing with a bass player, drummer, a pianist, then you can afford to play with that time how you like. And it could also be used in a band setting, because you could use it as an intro to the tune. That's what some people would do. They play this kind of rubato feel chord melody, maybe just first half of the tune or all of it, and then go into time. And that's always a nice way to kind of build up into a tune. Now, gear-wise, I'm using my Gibson Super 5, going through the Quilter Tone Block 202 into Logic. And if you'd like to learn this arrangement, then you can get the tab and notation on the lowest tier of my Patreon page, where you'll also get access to all of these solo guitar arrangements too. Hope you enjoyed that. I had a lot of fun putting that one together. Now, if you've not yet seen my video, you've not yet learnt the chords and seen my harmonic analysis of this tune, then I'll put that up on the screen for you, because this really is an essential standard to know. Don't forget jazz guitar lessons every Wednesday with myself, Andy. In the description there's a link to my Patreon page. Thanks as ever for watching and commenting. Until next time, you take care.